Hey folks, Pastor Allen here. Hey, my computer's up and at it again. It's causing trouble, and so I can't record my video for tonight. But I am going to provide a short. And I was just thinking, what God's been laying on my heart lately is the topic of love. Now, we know that God is love, and we know that the greatest commandment is to love God and to love our neighbors as ourselves. And so, what does that love look like? So, I'm just going to give you a nugget here. And love is doing what's best for others, even at personal cost. Okay? Biblical love has nothing to do, at least New Testament, has nothing to do with romance. It has everything to do with caring for others. Now, the flip side of that is lust. And lust is doing whatever seems best for me, even at others' costs. And as Christians, we want to walk in love. So I pray that you have a blessed week. We're going to return to Genesis chapter 24, the second part, looking at how Rebekah becomes the wife of Isaac. Until then, this is Pastor Allen signing off saying, God bless you guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.